17. Okay. Mr. Khalid is a successful entrepreneur. He is interested in buying a plot of vacant land in a town to be used as a recreation park. Diagram 17A shows the recreation park plan that Mr. Khalid wants to build. Okay. Each corner of the garden, which is in the shape of quarter circle, with a radius of 7 meter, will be planted with flowers. Okay, I'm gonna have my flower here. Not I lah, Mr. Khalid lah. Every quarter here is gonna be 7. It's gonna be 7 meter radius, isn't it? Yes, all the corner there. Okay, that's gonna be for our flowers. And in the center of the garden will be built a circular fish pond. This one. Fish pond. Okay. This one, fish pond. With a diameter of 15 meters. So the diameter here going to be 15 meter. Other areas will be planted with carpet grass. So means that carpet grass is going to be everything outside there lah. Okay lah, letak jugalah. This one carpet grass kat luar ni. Okay. Determine the radius of the fish pond. Alamak. Yes. If you look over here, we have our diameter of 15 meters. To get the radius is going to be 15 divided by 2. So 7.5 meter. 1 marks given. Okay. Calculate the area planted with carpet grass. Okay, the question, girls, the question doesn't state the area going to be in what unit, right? So we are going to have in meter square lah. Okay, so obviously if you look over here, what you are going to have over here, to get our area of the carpet ni is going to be our shaded lah actually. This one. So you are going to have, first thing first, to get our area of the grass, I'm going to have the area of the what we call our land here, right? The rectangle. I'm going to minus with our two circular there. One is for our circle. What is that? Circle. Yes, you have 4 quarter, right? Quarter, 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 quarter. If we combine, 1 circle. Right? And we are going to minus also with our fish pond. You can see that? Sir, why did the flower going to make a circle? Because just now it said that it's going to be a quarter, right? So I have 4 quarter. If I combine, it's going to be 1 circle. Okay. So what I'm going to have over here, first thing first, the area of the land. 34 times with 43. Minus. Okay, for our area of a circle. Pi r square. 22 over 7 times with radius there is 7 square. Did I need 2 times by 4? No, because that one is going to be for your 4 quadrant, isn't it?
Yes. Because we need to find for 1, right? Using the pi r square. So this one.
If you are going to find 1 quadrant only, it means that 1 quadrant, 1 over 4 times with 22 over 7 times 7 square.
Itu satu.
1 quadrant.
Oh.
So when it's come by 4, what happened? You times by 4, so 4 and 4 finish.
One.
So straight away lah, you are going to find for 1 circle only. Can? Fish pond. Minus with? Yes, just now we find the radius, right? So you are gonna have over here 20. Huh? Mana dia lari? La ilaha illallah. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So we are gonna have over here 22 over 7 times with 7.5 square. Yes. Use your calculator lah.
113.21.
Huh?
113.1.21.
146.
Oh, you don't want to find one by one here?
Calculate one by one aja.
Calculate first one by one.
Cepat je kau.
This one I got 1462 minus with 22 over 7 times by 7 square. I'm gonna get 154. Minus with 22 over 7 times with 7.5 square. I'm going to get 176.79. Right? 177. I got 176, 179.
So I got 176.71. I think you should buy new calculator.
7.5 square. 176.7857.
Yeah.
So I just round off to 79. Oh, you're using? Oh, using pi. Okay. Pi times with 7.5 square. Oh, 176, 171. Okay. Reasonable. It's going to be different. Okay. If you're using pi, girls, our friend said it's going to be 176.71. So it's going to be difference over here. 0.08.
Oh, di 0.142.
Yang ni dia guna pi.
But sir, the student asked us to like use
Which one pi?
Okay. 1462 minus 154.
minus 176.79.
Okay. If we use 176.79, you are going to get your answer over here 1131.21 if you are using 22 over 7. So means that we can have the other answer over here, which is we are going to have 1462 minus 154 minus with 176 and 71. You are going to get 1131.29. Acceptable. Either one. You find it separately. Can kau team lah later. Okay? Can? Okay, proceed to the next one. Okay. Still our 17B here. Okay. Diagram 17B shows a plan of rectangular garden path that Mr. Khalid wants to build on top of his recreational park. There are 8 stepping stones of the same size built on the path. Okay. Given the area of the path is 32 units square. Okay. Find the diameter in meter of the piece of stepping stone. So, what should you have first?
X plus 4 equal to 32.
Yes, that's gonna be for our area. Kau kenapa ni makan ubat lebih ni? Okay, x plus 4 times with our x, we are going to get 32. So what you are going to do? Yes, x square plus 4x bring 32 minus 32 equals to 0. So we are going to use our calculator straight away. You are going to go ahead. The first x is gonna be negative 8. Am I right?
Yeah.
The second x is gonna be 4. Am I right? Okay, so from below, we are going to get to upwards over here. You are gonna get your yes, your factorization is going to be x plus 8 and x minus 4 is going to be equals to 0. The question, you are using which one?
Find the diameter.
This one ignore. Why ignore? Okay, so now you have your x. Which one is going to be our x? So you have already lah the answer. Girls, the question is asking for what?
Diameter
Diameter. Diameter. Got the answer already. Why you want to plus 4? Right. So your diameter is gonna be 4 meter. That's your answer. 5 marks given. Ish. Any question?
No, sir. Proceed, sir.
Okay, we're gonna look at our C. Mr. Khalid has made a personal loan of 500,000 from a bank to make this project a success. It is given that the interest rate is 5% per annum. Calculate the monthly installment of Mr. Khalid if the loan period is 10 years. MV is going to be if you are going to use your compounded. You are using AP plus PRT because you need to know the total repayment. After you know the total repayment, then we are going to calculate for the monthly installment. Faham. Okay. Principal 500,000. Rate over here is going to be 5%, and the time here is going to be for 10 years. Am I right?
Yes.
So we are going to substitute principal 500,000 plus. Okay, this one also a principal 500,000, but this one you must find first. That one is going to be the interest charged to you from the bank. Okay, this one is gonna be 5%. This one is gonna be in years, 10 years. So if you look over here, I'm going to simplify straight away. 20, 20.
Terlalu banyak
Huh?
Dapat 750,000.
5,000 times 50, 250,000 plus with 500,000, 750,000. Is it going to be our answer? Not yet. Because the question is asking for monthly installment. Yes, because we are going to find a monthly installment.
62,500.
We are going to pay for the total repayment is going to be 750,000. So we are going to divide how many years? 12 years?
10 years.
10. But because I want to find for monthly, so you are going to times by 12 lah. Isn't it? Not in 1 year. In a month. So 750,000 divided by 120. You are going to get how much? Yes, 6250. This is gonna be your monthly installment. Okay, girls. This one is form 3. Form 3 question. Hey, next. I finish. Oh, not yet. Okay. We look at last question for our PS2 here.
Oh, this one.
Encik Khalid Recreation Park has received a favorable response from visitors in order to maintain the cleanliness and cheerfulness of his recreation park. Mr. Khalid charged a fee as per table 17. Weekday, adult 2 ringgit. Children 5 to 12 years 1 ringgit. Weekend, adult 3 ringgit. The children 5 to 12 years is going to be 2 ringgit. With until 9:30, right?
Bukanlah. Dia nanti abang mau datang.
The total number of visitors on weekdays is 230 adults and 520 children. While the number of adult visitors on weekend is twice as many as on weekdays. The total collection during the week is 3760. Calculate the number of children visiting on the weekend. Okay. Wait, the total number of visitors on weekdays. Weekday 230 adults. Okay, this one going to be 230, and they are going to be for the children 520. Am I right? Well, the number of adult visitors on weekends is twice. Twice means that this one you are going to get? Yes, 230 times by 2, 460. Okay, this one we don't have. So times by x, we don't have, right? That's what we are going to find our number of children here. This is not simultaneous linear equation. This is normal equation. Kan di sini kan dia kata total collection during the week means that weekday and the weekend. So you are going to get what? 230 times by 2 plus for the children on the weekend 520 times 1 plus on the weekend you are going to get 460 times by 3 plus on the weekend over here for the children you are going to get 2 times by X. The total is going to be 3,760. Can girls? So find your X. I just take everything here after you times and plus, bring to the other side, then divided by 2. Am I right? So your answer here is going to be 700. Oh yeah. As long as you have the equation, you are going to get 700 as your children visiting on the weekend. That's it for our discussion.